How to log in into Walmart MasterCard account online. Hello everyone and welcome back. Walmart's Reward or the MasterCard is a credit card which allows you to earn rewards for purchases that is made at Walmart. So in order to get logged in, you might have to go to any of your preferred browser and then on the address or the URL box type in walmart.syf.com. This will give you a login portal of Synchrony Bank as the Walmart credit card and MasterCard is issued by this bank. First of all, you need to provide your user ID and then the password and tap on Secure Login. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, tap on the link. Then you have to verify your user ID, then select the password once verified, and you can easily get logged in. But make sure you use your primary account while doing so. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.